If you ever wondered what it was like to go to a professional housekeeping trade show, this is the video for you. The company who's sponsoring this trade show is called Veritiv. It is a nationwide company, and Veritiv puts on these shows about once a year where they bring in all kinds of different companies to demonstrate new models, give discounts for older models that maybe were used as demo units. So they want to clear those out and get some of the new model demo units on the floor. It's a really good place to get a discount, to look to see what's coming up, talk to the businesses, maybe have some concerns, complaints about their products and how they could fix them, and you can have some good interaction back and forth. There's also lots of goodies that you can get, and they give you an opportunity to win prizes in a raffle.
Taking these.
Oh, okay.
Slapping it in there, and you're ready to go. So this is the kind of nice.
So everyone who comes in normally gets a ticket, and at the end of the convention day, you have a chance of winning a prize. They also have pretty good meals there as well. So they give you a plate full of food and all the non-alcoholic drinks that you can drink, which is really nice. So if you ever have an opportunity to go to a trade show, even a professional housekeeping trade show, I highly suggest you go. It's really interesting, mentally stimulating, and a whole lot of fun. Well, I hope this short video interests you. And as always, have a great day. Oh, that's awesome.